40,000 subscribers. It was only about 6 weeks ago I sat here thanking you all for the support when we got to 40,000 subscribers. I can't believe it. We're going through weird times at the minute. There's an awful lot of people stuck at home, and I'm just glad Ukulaliens are helping a lot of people get through this horrible time by playing their ukuleles. Right, so I am going to do a little bit of a giveaway or a prize. I'll mention that in a moment. I'm not a huge channel. I don't get given loads of ukuleles. I'm not sponsored by anybody, but I have got a little prize which I'll mention shortly. Like I said the other day, I really do appreciate all the support in this channel. Every like, every comment, every request. I know I'm useless at replying to things, but I really do appreciate them, and I read every single one of them. It does seem like I haven't uploaded much recently. The way YouTube works, there's copyright issues, and I've had a few videos blocked over the last few weeks. So I have made more videos. I don't know if I've ever mentioned this. I don't make any money off this channel. Everything is copyrighted, and any advert money goes to the copyright holders. Absolutely correct. That's how it should be. But it also means every so often I get a video blocked, and it just so happens over the last few weeks I've had a few more blocked than normal. So apologies for that, guys. Oi! Oi! Come on, tell them, man. Have you told them yet? In a minute, man. Yeah, I'll tell them now, hang on. Right, I'm not the only person who makes ukulele play-along videos. I'm sure many of you know about the other channels. If you don't, go along and check in ukeplayalongs.com. Just check that, yeah, ukeplayalongs.com. There's a huge database which has got over 1,000 ukulele play-along videos on there, okay? So that's a fantastic resource. Some of the other ukulele play-along channels, Dr. Jill Reese, Uke Play-alongs. Now, both of those have just quite recently hit 50,000 subscribers, so I'm really chuffed to be joining them right now. And in fact, a couple of evenings ago, I spent a fantastic while chatting with some of the other ukulele play-along creators, and that video should be going online quite soon, in the next few days. Anyway, go over on Facebook. There's a ukulele play-along Facebook group. I'm sure it'll get posted in there. So if you're at all interested in who makes the play-along videos and how we create them, might be worth checking out. Right, the important bit then, the prize, okay? I'm not sponsored by any ukulele makers. I don't get given free ukes, so unfortunately I haven't got a ukulele to give away. What I am going to do though is whoever wins this competition, okay, I will order them a Ukulaliens T-shirt. Not this one, this one's mine, okay, but something that looked like that. There are a few different designs. Again, this one is mine, okay. So how do you get to win a Ukulaliens T-shirt? You're gonna have to work for it, okay. You are going to have to go over to my other channel, Ukulele Wales, and answer a question, okay. Now, I say this question in at least 2 videos, it might even be 3, and I answer the question in these videos as well, okay. I'm going to put all the details in the description below, and I'll put an announcement up in the community section as well. So, the answer to this question, you ready? Why do you need that new ukulele? Why do you need that new ukulele? And I ask that question and I answer myself in at least 2 videos over there. Okay, so how do you enter? Right, you need to go and watch the videos, find the answer, and then email me at ukulelewales@gmail.com. All right, and all you need to put in the email, you don't need to subscribe or do anything else. Email me your answer, your name, and where you're from. That's all you've got to do, and then I'll get in touch with the winner and we'll decide what colour, what size, and there are, as I said, there are a few designs, which design you fancy, and I will get you a Ukulaliens T-shirt sent to you wherever you are in the world. Okay, and you've got until next Monday, the 18th of May, to find the answer. Pop it in an email with your name, where you live, the answer to why do you need that new ukulele, and you could be in with a shout of winning a new T-shirt. Don't forget, enter by next Monday. Thank you one more time for all the support on this channel. Whenever I'm making a play along video, I get quite excited towards the end of the process. It can take a few hours to make one. I can't wait to get it uploaded just to see the reaction from you guys. So again, I really appreciate all the support. We're in weird times at the minute, all right? Please, all over the world, take care of yourselves, stay safe, and I'll catch up with you next week with the results from today's prize. Bye for now.